Alright guys, what do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about bills. What specifically about bills? I'm going to specifically tell you why I treat investing as though it is a bill. Because a lot of people tend not to invest for many reasons, many excuses, truthfully. But it's a lot of reasons why people don't invest their money. They're not ready, it's not the right time. I'm trying to pay this off first, whatever the case may be. And I'm going to sit here today and I'm going to tell you why you should treat your investing like a bill, because it is that serious. It's that literally serious that you should treat it as a bill, because this is the way I do it. It's worked for me. I'm not saying it may not work for everybody, but I think it truthfully will. So just hear me out. Listen to what I got to say. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and let me help you help yourself. Let's get into today's video. All right, guys, so we're talking about how to turn investing into a bill, or whether a bill into investment, however you want to look at it. But either way, it's to better yourself. Pretty much what I mean by this concept is to get you into the habit of investing. You have to get into the habit of paying yourself first. Make sure that you're paid first, and then you follow in pursuit with the others. And the way you do this, you treat your investing as if it's a bill, because we all been there. When you have your bills laid out across you trying to figure out what you got to pay this month. You looking for the big three, really, just the really big three, mainly the big two: house, utilities. These are the main two that some people will pay first. And the big three will be no car note, because a lot of people need their car and stuff like that. But the big two is what you categorize what needs to get paid first. One, the house, the apartment, because you don't want to get kicked out, right? Two, the utilities, because there's no point in having a house if you ain't got no utilities, right?
You smart.
Right. And then three will be the car. You want to make sure you pay those, but how you really should structure your bills is: number one, pay yourself, then the house, then the utilities, then the car, right? That's how it should be.
Like that.
But a lot of people focus the other way around. Now, the reason you want to do this is because it trains you and it helps you in the long run of building wealth over time. Because truthfully or not, you're not going to save your way to millions of dollars.
You serious?
You're just not. You go out, you find somebody who said, yeah, I saved up $1 million. He must have an extremely high paying job, extremely too. But for the average person who makes 40K a year, 30K a year, 50K a year, you're not gonna just save your way to $1 million. That can take literally your entire life, because you have things that come up: birthdays, holidays, natural bills, everything eventually got to break at some point. It's an endless cycle. So you're not going to really save your way to $1 million. The way you can get to $1 million would be investing. Okay, so if that's the case, why not treat investing as this is a bill? Make sure every month you pay yourself first. That's you investing. That is you investing. Whether it's picking up a trade, whether it's real estate, stocks, dividends, cryptocurrency, whatever the case may be, you pay yourself first. You treat investing like a bill, because just by investing, you greatly increase your chance of actually building wealth way faster and better and quicker than you trying to save your way to it. Let's say at the end of the month, you have $200, right? Why not take 100 and invest it? Keep the other 100 just in case something come up. Put it in a savings account. Yes, you will, right? Or some pillow money. If you don't know what pillow money is, that's what a lot of old heads do. A lot of older people don't believe in banks, so they have to keep their money at home, under the mattress, under the pillow, in the closet. They call it pillow money. There you go. But that's what they do. Split. Invest, pull up money, rainy day. You really want to touch your investment. I do not touch my investment money unless it's for another investment. Like, I will probably pull from my stock portfolio if it's to get another rental property. Or I will pull from my stock portfolio if it's something like, hey, anything we do with stock, like maybe I bought a mining rig like I did. I didn't pull from it, but you know what I'm saying, just if I really believed it. But that's how you invest, people. The reason you want to invest in this magnitude, as I stated again, you're not going to save your way to $1 million. Believe it or not, I think the average person makes about $2 million to $3 million a year. Now, you ain't gonna believe that, because I didn't either. But after looking at some of the articles and reading through and siphoning through, it's about right. You make roughly between 2 and 3 million. It really gauges on your pay rate, but between 2 and 3 million over the course of your life. But there's not a lot of people who pass away with actual money. So think about that. If you make from working between 2 and 3 million over the course of your entire life, how would you save until $1 million? It's just unheard of. But what if you started investing and your money had time to grow? Look at this compound calculator here. Just investing money this month a month. Like I said, you may not have aspirations to be a millionaire. You may just want to be well off. Hey, that's perfectly fine. Still, look at the compound calculator. We dropped it down to $250 a month. Now we bump it up to $500 a month. Look at the vast difference in that. That's the power of investing. And I know what you're thinking, well, what would I invest in? You don't have to be a stock analyst to invest. You don't have to try to pick the best stock in the world. You don't have to go find the next Amazon, the next Tesla. If you want to invest and do it effortlessly, index funds. Index funds are stocks with a bundle of stocks in them. So for instance, VTI is an index fund. VTI holds every stock in the stock market. So therefore, you don't have to guess. You have all of them. You see what I'm saying? It's going to rise as the actual stock market itself rises. So there's no guessing. And it gives you an annual return of at least 7 to 8%. Sometimes 10 if we have a good year. But 7% is going to be the sweet spot. That's what we want right here, right? So if you all you do is just put your money into this one fund, you don't have to think about it. You don't have to worry about it. And in due time, money. Why would you not? If you put $100 in your savings every month, split it. Keep 50, put the other 50 into the index fund. This is the way you can start to grow your money. Of course, the more you put in, the faster it will grow. But like I said again, just putting in 50, 20, 10 is 1,000 times better than not doing it at all. Because if you're just putting it in your savings account, which the bank is not going to give you any great interest rate on your money, they're just going to use your money to make more money from themselves. Why not you put that money in a portfolio and you make money from it? Wouldn't that make sense? How about you help yourself? Treat investing as though it is a bill. Pay yourself first. Then you catch that mortgage. Then you get the utilities. Then you get the car note. And if you have any excess money after that, hey, double down on some more investments. Why not, right? But invest your money. Whatever you can, $5, $10, $20, that money will grow. I promise you. You're going to just keep doing it nonchalantly. Most of these investment apps, you can have it on auto or current deposit. You can just, hey, take $25 every 2 weeks. Take $50 a month. Whatever you know, whatever, and it's going to do it automatically. Do it automatically. That way you won't see it. That way you don't have to think about it. That way you're paying yourself and you're going to be able to grow your money. But the real thing is you have to start. Don't be ashamed or embarrassed that you don't invest $5. Don't be ashamed or embarrassed you're going to invest $20. Anything is better than nothing. Because if you get embarrassed, ashamed, oh, well, it's too little money, it's not going to really make a difference. I beg to differ. I actually started a video series where I started with little money in a dividend portfolio, and it's growing. Over the course, I think 2-3 months, it went from $100 to about almost $1,000 that quick. And believe it or not, it happens that quick because you're not focusing on it. You're just throwing it over there. You're mainly focusing on your house note, but you're still investing. And that alone is why I say you should treat it as a bill. You don't keep up with your small bills. How many people actively know when their Netflix subscription come out? You don't know. It's on your card on auto renew, right? You don't keep up with it because it's so minor to you. You feel as though that minor amount is nothing. So if you need to start with a minor amount so you can do it absentmindedly, I strongly recommend it. Do it. Start today. Treat it as a bill. Do it for yourself. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is in the description, look down there. In the description, you're going to see M1 Finance link, a Robinhood link. You can use these links, and by using those links, it'll help you create an account with a brokerage so you can start investing. And when you do so, if you do it through Robinhood, you'll get a free stock, and I get a free stock. Now, if it's not to help me, do it to help yourself. Do it so you can get a free stock. You can hold that stock for 2-3 days, sell it, boom. That could be a double down investment for you. That's free money. Same with M1 Finance. They don't give you a free stock, they just give you some money. They like $10 to $20, right? Also down there is another stock platform that just started called Public. It's like trading social media status, right? You can go on there, talk, comment, ask questions, follow some of the big investors. It's an amazing platform. But if you also use my link in the description, you still will get a free stock to help you start to grow your portfolio quicker. So look in the description, check those out. Also, while you're down there, subscribe to my channel. You have any questions about how you can get started, you have any question on what you should do, maybe you got confused, whatever you have, whatever type of question, post a comment and I'll most definitely get to you. But that's all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.